Our new product, the Clamex Flexus, is a connector with flexible positioning bolts. In comparison, the standard Clamex has fixed position pins. These flexible positioning pins allow more freedom in the assembling sequence, easily alignment, and versatile assembly. Additionally, Clamex P-14 Flexus allows the installation of shelves even when the cupboards are already assembled. Whether is a limited material thickness, a diagonal shelf, or design element, almost anything is possible with Clamex P-14 Flexus. Compared to the Clamex P-14, nothing changes in the workflow. However, the new connector enormously expands the applications and offers new possibilities. Despite the many new possibilities which the Flexus offers, it is not a replacement for the standard Clamex P-14 connector. When joining butt joints in a cabinet, we recommend the use of the Clamex P-14 connector because of its ability to prevent twisting due to the fixed positioning pins.